Hello, I'm Stuart. Here in the video, we will share the details of the Shadow PC error code V-100. As per our research, the error comes when users try to start the Shadow PC. According to our research, the error means that the launcher couldn't connect to the Shadow servers. Also, multiple factors can be behind the error, such as your system installing an update that is blocking the communication between launcher and Shadow data center, or your system security system interfering with the Shadow, or there are some issues with your network. To deal with the error, we first suggest you make sure your device is not installing an update. If yes, then wait till the update finishes and then check for the error. If you are on VPN, then try disconnecting and reconnecting your VPN and see if this helps. We also recommend switching the servers on the VPN to make sure the error is not caused by any of the VPN servers. Next, we advise you to disable your device firewall and antivirus and check if this resolves the issue. If it does resolve the issue, then this means that your security programs are interfering with the Shadow launcher, so make sure to allow Shadow under your device security program. If you checked and the issue is not related to any ongoing system update, VPN or security program, then open the Shadow launcher settings, then go to the Network tab and toggle off and on the Launch Shadow on IPv4 connection option. Once done, check for the error again. If the error still comes, then shut down your router and disconnect it from the power source. Then wait for around 5 minutes and reboot your router. Then check if the error still comes. If you still receive the error, then go to your network settings and use any alternate DNS server. Give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still comes after switching to any alternate DNS server, then uninstall the Shadow PC app and restart your device. Then reinstall the Shadow PC and check if the error persists. If you are done with all this but still see the error, then go to the status.shadow.tech to check if there are any known issues with their services. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.